Okay, we go to first make the square 20 centimeters, select center, then press 20 millimeter by 20 millimeter. Then we again create this rectangle, 0, enter, then 3 millimeter width. After that we again create rectangle, this corner to this size, 3 millimeter something. Okay, after we make line this side, then select all. After we trim these lines, trims. After that enter and the join. Now okay, after that this one height, select all, then we go to polar array, press 0 and 4, then okay. And this lines we can trim, then enter, join this all curves. Now this goes okay. This we now we go to the create surface, this, and go to plan a curve, press, then we okay. Now create the surface. Now we can to offset this surface, offset surface, this one 1.2 millimeter we can offset. Okay, now we have to this surface, thus we can make the jump ring, circle 2.5 millimeter, this one, and we can move like this. We can pipe this curve, radius 3.5, 0.35. Okay, it's jumping. Okay, we can this one move little bit like this, and go to right tube, and then this one move up this this center. Now we can create another circle, create something like this, create, let's move this area. Okay, now we create again pipe, 0.05 millimeter. Okay, now finish this one, and we can now do fillet these edges. I can go to this fillet edges and click, then click all edges top on the surface. this you can select all the curves, then press enter. Now this corner is smooth. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video, and please drop down your comment. Thank you.